Hey everybody, Harris here with iDownload Blog. We're taking a look at a new monthly installment for video. This is best apps of the month under some certain category. This is June's and is a few days later than it will be in the future, but this is top free apps for iPhone for June. So kicking off number one is Agenda. This is basically a combination of notes, calendars, and reminders for a super awesome notes, calendar, reminders application. You can have both projects and categories, category being the overarching one for maybe sports, and you have different projects for maybe each sport or each type of activity that you're doing in that category. When you click on one, you can see that you basically have a list of each note. Now you can double tap to expand or close that note. You can tap on the little circle around it, which you're on. You can mark it as on the agenda, which will put it on the sidebar right here, and as well as the home screen. Or you can mark it as done and it'll put a little checklist. It also integrates with your calendar, so if you click on the calendar, you can both see your own calendar as well as add a date to that specific note. And of course, you can add a new one very simply, and inside that you can do checklists, you can change your font, you can make it a heading, anything like that. And then it also has advanced search options in the application. When you swipe over from the right, it gives you your calendar and allows you to see your related notes and recent notes. And this is just a super advanced notes application. It allows you to customize it, allows you to really stay on top of your notes, reminders, calendar, and anything else. So if you're looking for an advanced notes application that really combines a few applications, Agenda is awesome for you. Now, Calroo is a really nice app if you're looking for family reminders. This has one single calendar which you can add events to and share it with your family. Now, this is possible to do already with like a joint or iCloud family account, but this allows you to easily add tasks, change things in the calendar, create lists, as well as messages, and you can share this all with your family. If you're looking for a unified way of doing lists, tasks, events on the calendar and sharing it with your family, then this is a good application for that, and it has a really simple and intuitive interface. Up next is StoreBeat. This is a really cool application. It has a lot of features. So you can add music to a photo or video. You can choose which photos you want to use. So I have a few of these pictures here. I can add music from iTunes, Spotify. I can record something or do the public library. So if I add a song, and then I can play it, and then I can download it or share it. It's really simple and intuitive. On top of just adding music to it, it can create a slideshow, which is very cool, up to 30 photos. You can make a live photo into a video. So if you have this live photo, it basically turns it into a video, which is very nice. And there are other applications that do it, but are more confusing. And of course, you can also add your audio to it. So if you're wanting to turn a live photo into a video, that's really simple here. You can create a stop motion video, which is really cool. If you have a bunch of pictures, you can make one video out of it, which is similar to live photo into video, but it's really cool. The only caveat being that you have to take them in this application. And finally, you can take a panoramic video, which is super cool. It does take 30 seconds to do because it is a newer feature, but if you have a picture, this will of course crop it in because it is portrait, but then it will pan the image after it loads, and that's really cool. So when it's ready, you can click play, and you can see it is just panning across this image, and that looks very nice. And of course, with all of these, you can add your audio to it and then save it. So this is a really powerful and free application that will allow you to add music, as well as make videos out of live photos, create stop motion and panoramic videos, as well as slideshows. So this is an awesome application. And finally, we have Gemini. So to use this, there's the free features, but you can also get a subscription. This is a Mac application that is on the iPhone now. It scans your library, finds duplicates, finds similar images, finds clutter, basically allows you and tries to help you get rid of images if you're trying to free up space. If it finds screenshots, if it finds notes, whatever it may be, it does that in an attempt to allow you to declutter your photo library and save some space. So when it does this, it'll find the best result photo, and then it'll recommend one that you can delete. You can also hide it from the application so that it won't show up in recommendations anymore, and it allows you to delete it right from there. It's not always the most accurate, and for me, it has a lot of duplicates that I want to keep. But in general, if you're looking to clear up duplicate photos, this is an awesome way to do that, and this will allow you to find clutter in your photos library. So those are 4 great applications for iPhone for June. If you enjoyed this video, or if you have any app recommendations for next month, make sure to leave those in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.